After I'm done, I go back to KineMaster and choose the layer option. I select media, and choose the clip I just recorded. I expand it over the background and make it fit over the whole thing. Once that's done, I put the videos in order, and begin to edit the final piece. Using the many options KineMaster features, I usually make a successful video. For my story videos, I take screenshots of the scenes without green screen. I edit them in iMovie instead. I shouldn't have to explain how to use that here. It's pretty simple. Okay, here is the final product. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. I hope this video helps you. Well, goodbye my friends. I will see you again in another video.